A dent occurs when a vehicle's metal panel is pushed inward due to an impact. Dents can result from parking accidents, door impacts, hail damage, or minor collisions. Even small dents can affect the appearance and resale value of a vehicle if left unrepaired. Stone chips are small paint damages caused by rocks, gravel, or road debris striking the vehicle while driving. These chips may seem minor at first, but they can expose the metal underneath and eventually lead to corrosion or rust if left untreated. Factory paint is the original paint applied by the vehicle manufacturer under controlled production conditions. It provides the highest quality finish, durability, and consistency. Preserving factory paint is one of the biggest advantages of paintless dent repair. Paintless dent repair, PDR, is an advanced repair technique used to remove dents, dings, and minor body damage without repainting or using body filler. Special tools are used to carefully massage the metal back into its original shape while preserving the factory paint. This method is faster, more cost-effective, and helps maintain the vehicle's original value. Scratches occur when sharp objects or abrasive materials come into contact with the vehicle's paint surface. Depending on the depth, scratches can affect only the clear coat or penetrate deeper into the paint layers. Proper protection and correction can restore the vehicle's appearance. Glue pulling is a specialized PDR method where specially designed tabs and adhesives are used to pull dents outward. It is particularly useful when access behind the panel is limited. This technique allows technicians to repair dents without damaging the original paint. The metal rod technique is one of the most precise methods used in paintless dent repair. Technicians use specially shaped rods to apply controlled pressure behind the dent, gradually restoring the panel to its original shape. Paint correction is a specialized process used to remove imperfections such as swirl marks, light scratches, oxidation, water spots, and paint haze. Through machine polishing and professional techniques, the paint surface is refined to restore clarity, depth, and shine. The result is a dramatically improved appearance that often looks better than new. Swirl marks are fine circular scratches that commonly appear on vehicle paint due to improper washing and drying techniques. Although they may be difficult to notice under normal conditions, they become highly visible under direct sunlight or bright lighting. Professional paint correction can safely remove swirl marks and restore a smooth, flawless finish. Paint protection film, PPF, is a transparent, durable protective layer applied over a vehicle's paintwork. It acts as a shield against stone chips, scratches, road debris, UV rays, and environmental contaminants. Modern PPF is virtually invisible and helps keep the vehicle looking brand new for years. A gloss finish provides a deep, shiny, mirror-like appearance that enhances the overall beauty of a vehicle. Modern gloss PPF not only protects the paint but also amplifies the richness and clarity of the vehicle's color. The reflective surface creates a premium showroom quality look that attracts attention wherever the vehicle goes. A matte finish offers a smooth, non-reflective appearance that creates a bold and sophisticated look. Unlike glossy surfaces, matte finishes reduce reflections and give vehicles a unique premium style. Matte PPF allows owners to transform the appearance of their vehicle while still benefiting from advanced paint protection. Self-healing technology is a premium feature found in modern paint protection films. Minor scratches and swirl marks can disappear when exposed to heat from sunlight or warm water, helping the film maintain its flawless appearance. UV protection is one of the most important benefits of paint protection film, PPF. Continuous exposure to sunlight can cause paint to fade, lose its depth, and become discolored over time. High-quality PPF acts as a barrier against harmful ultraviolet rays, helping to preserve the vehicle's original color and finish. This protection is especially valuable in tropical climates where vehicles are exposed to intense sunlight throughout the year. Impact resistance refers to the ability of paint protection film to absorb and disperse the force from minor impacts. Road debris, gravel, small stones, and everyday hazards can damage a vehicle's paint. High-quality PPF acts as a sacrificial protective layer, reducing the risk of paint chips, scratches, and surface damage. Ceramic coating is a liquid polymer protection layer applied to a vehicle's exterior surfaces. It creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels water, dirt, dust, and other contaminants. Ceramic coatings enhance gloss, simplify maintenance, and provide an additional layer of protection against environmental damage, helping the vehicle stay cleaner for longer periods. Body panels are the exterior metal or aluminum sections of a vehicle, including doors, fenders, quarter panels, roof panels, and hoods. Damage to body panels can impact both appearance and structural integrity, making professional repair essential. Maintaining a vehicle's exterior condition plays a major role in preserving its resale value. Buyers often prefer vehicles with original paint and minimal cosmetic damage. Paint protection film and paintless dent repair help keep the vehicle in excellent condition, making it more attractive to potential buyers and increasing its market value. Protect your vehicle, preserve its value, enhance its appearance. Car Advanced Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, Shield Premium Paint Protection Film, PPF, Sparkles Paint Correction and Ceramic Coating Solutions. KB Repairs, protecting perfection, one vehicle at a time. Contact KB Repairs today. Professional PDR and PPF specialists. Restore, protect, preserve your investment.